I'm Steve Hogan, and St. Mary's School is rolling out to drive in, dine in, and donate at the Dantis Donum on Thursday, December 10th. Let's check this out. Let's go. Woo!
St. Mary's School every day is a blessing. It doesn't feel like work because I'm truly doing what I love. I'm in the company of the most beautiful children.
Everyone loves each other and cares for each other, and we're just one big happy family.
This way to donate.
Because they have great teachers.
It is the perfect combination of service, education, and religion.
Text SMS donate to 50155.
Oh, look! There he is! He must be going to drive in, dine in, and donate! Whoa! We're excited for drive in, dine in, and donate! Go, 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 go! To drive in, dine in, and donate! Text SMS donate to 50155.
This is Marigny Savoyan, and we're in the heart of East Vineland. And this is Tom. Tom, what do you have serving up tonight?
Well, Guy and Father Rob, come on in and we'll show you.
What do you got, Tommy?
All right, we have some of our most popular dishes. We have gnocchi and short rib. We have a Cajun chicken bowl with penne Alfredo. And for Father Rob in particular, we made him his famous chicken parm. So check him out. And these items will be available on the St. Mary's donor list.
Holy moly, this is good.
Oh, outstanding.
All right. Well, good. Glad you enjoyed it.
With your donation to our Dantis Donum event, you also will be eligible for these various gifts. We have a water bottle. Also, we have a grocery bag, a pot holder, lunch bag, our wine gobbler, and for those who are getting their meals delivered, this fabulous cooler.
I've been a part of St. Mary's School since about 1980. I had 3 children attend here and graduated, and that was in the 1980s and 1990s. It's 40 years later, and I'm still part of the family. I've loved every minute of it.
Catholic schools are closing left and right, and I just like the education that I received at Sacred Heart and St. Augustine's, and I would like to see that type of education continue with the parish and with St. Mary's School for years to come.
Text your donation to SMS donate to 50155.
Hey, Father Rob, how are you?
Good, Patrick. How are you?
Great.
I'd like to thank each and every one of you for your kindness and generosity to St. Mary's School. The school's mission, of course, is to help our children grow in greater love of Christ and one another. So if you can, I ask you to please kindly donate to Drive In, Dine In, and Donate as part of Dantis Donum. Please text your gift to SMS Donate at 50155. Thank you so very much, and God bless you.
Thanks, Father Rob. Let's take a ride back to St. Mary's School to see your gift in action.
Hi, Patrick. How are you?
Hi, Carol. We're back at St. Mary's, and this is a new addition to the school that was installed over the summer that let us safely open in September. It's great to be back.
Come on, Patrick. Let me show you a few things that we got over the summer. Check this out. Isn't this neat, Pat?
What is this?
This is a rolling desk that the teachers use because technically we had to take, the classes on the road, so to speak, because middle school can't switch classes. So we equip the teachers with these great desks, and they can just put everything in it. They have a cabinet, they have drawers. This is my favorite thing. This is called a Padcaster. And as you can see, there's an iPad in here. And it's, pretty much, if you see, a set on the movies, you're watching the television, they can, the students are able to film. We have headphones, we have all the microphones, we have all the bells and whistles for this to create and produce videos. This is for Mrs. Barcy to take science on the road. So she could do a lab right in each classroom. So when she switches, along with her desk, she has this, so she could do a lab with the students. Let's go look at a classroom. I got one more thing to show you. This is called a J-Touch board, and they interact with all the students' Chromebooks. They interact with whatever the teacher's doing. For students that are at remote, they're up on the screen so that they can interact with the students in the classroom and with the teacher. So it just really brings technology full circle in the classroom.
SMS. Donate.
501.
55.
Thank you.